what's up guys? Today I am putting together the Vega Motorworks version 1 Focus ST extension. Here's a better view of it. Looks pretty cool. Today I'm just going to be putting it together. I'm probably not going to install it, but this clip will be in with the installation video. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so me and my friend Brandon, we got the spots marked out that we need to drill for the wing extension. It's kind of hard to see, it's dark in here. There's a hole, there's a marker spot here, one here. Everything should be lined up. So here in a few minutes I'm going to start drilling on it. I'm just going to time lapse it and I'll show you where to put the bolts and everything and all that. So thanks for tuning in. Okay guys, I wanted to give a quick overview of what we're using to do this. We're using 4 well nuts, 4 washers, 4 bolts, a 1/4 inch drill bit for the pilot hole, and a 3/8 drill bit for the well nuts. And then I'm going to hand it over to Brandon, and he's going to get some slow-mo clips of me drilling. Hey, what's going on guys? So the wing extension was a little bit harder than we thought. We got the holes messed up a couple of times, but we finally got it fixed. I'm gonna throw a picture up of what it looks like, and sorry if I look kind of disheveled. I just got out the pool. But yeah, I'll post the video soon. Thanks guys.